back to my YouTube channel, and today I have another hair review, and it's from the hair company Nadula. So I'm gonna open this bag and show you guys everything that came in this bag. Okay, so they provided a wig cap, a headband. Now finally for the wig, guys. So this is a 13 by 5 T-parts wig. It is in the length 16 inches, 150% density. It's in the texture straight, and it's in the color FB30. So all the details for this hair would be in the description box. So I'm gonna show you guys the construction of this wig. Okay, so this is the middle part. The knots are still visible, so I will be bleaching the knots of this wig, and I will be plucking the part as well as the hairline, but I don't think I will film it. I will just show you guys the final result. So let me allow you guys to see the hairline. So this is how the hairline of the wig looks. So like I said, it is a 13 by 5 T-part wig. So as you could see, there isn't much of a hairline. It's less than an inch to work with. We get 2 combs at the side. We get 1 comb at the back. We also get 2 adjustable straps. Also get some lace at the back of this wig. Let's see how everything turns out. So stay tuned to see how I install this wig. Okay, I'm done playing the phone. Okay, so I mean, I find the hairline doesn't really look all that natural. I mean, we gonna fix this. So I wanna put some powder into the parting, so I'm gonna be using this one. Okay guys, so I'm finished styling this hair, so I'm just gonna get straight into the pros and cons of this wig. Okay, so my first pro is the hair is soft. The shipping did take a while to come. I got it from Amazon. Another pro is I didn't really experience much shedding. And now let's get into the cons. Okay, so my first con is the knots did take a while to bleach. The knots the knots closer to the center are, I believe, single wefted, and coming down to the sides are double wefted. So I'd say the double wefted knots is kind of con for me because that's not easily blendable, I'd say. So but I mean, it's I'm a center part wig, so I wouldn't really expect that you'd be wearing it wearing the hair back. So the only style you could really do is the center part. Another con for me is that I noticed that the hair is pretty thin. It's so difficult for me to get this to lie flat. I don't know if it's because I got a lot of hair and that will be difficult to, you know, hide under. This hair is big head friendly, but apart from that, I don't have anything else to say about this wig. So I just say just pay attention to that. And yeah, so this is the length. It is 16 inches. I did kind of trim the ends a little bit. So yeah, I'm kind of happy with how the cut, the 90s kind of cut came out. I'm happy about that. And yeah, so I want to end this video by saying thank you Nadula here for sending me this wig. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. It's really appreciated, and see you guys in the next one. Toodles.